parents and my teachers and my society, everyone taught me only one thing. Abid, if you want to become successful in your life, so you have to study well. Once you study, you will get a good education. After getting good education, you will get a good job. Once you get a good job, that's it. You can become successful in your life. So I followed the society, I followed my parents, but unfortunately, after getting my job, my life is not changing. So, before coming to this business, I was working as a, mechanical engineer in Middle East. Okay. I'm eagerly waiting for an opportunity to change my life. I was really frustrated with my job because, I was thinking that my life is going to change with my job, but it is not changing. So over a period of time, I able to understand that, I was in deep trouble. So, one fine day, one of my friend of B Council, Jesse, he calls me and he invited me to this business. After hearing this business, I able to understand the potential of this industry because he explained me well, because he already explained about e-commerce and Carousel. That really strikes me. Because of that, I joined this business. Because of his trust, I came to this business, and after that, everything started to change. In the initial time, things was not going, right way. I was thinking that, if I went to people and if I explain this business, then immediately they will also come to this business. After listening to this presentation, after, sign up into this business, I went to my roommate and I explained this business plan to him. And immediately he said yes. He told me only one thing: Abid, if you are into this business, yes, I will be with you. Okay. So I was thinking that, okay, this business is very easy. People will come like this. Okay. But, after that, I went to my other friends and I explained this business plan. What happens, they are not accepting me. Okay. They are, instead of, motivating me, they are demotivating me. And, they were saying that, this business is not going to work. You're wasting your time. After that, I'm getting rejection. In the rejections become 1, and then it become 5, it's become 10, it's become 15, it's become 25. When it's become 25, I was little bit confused. I saw that Jesse, when he started this business, he's making money and he saw me lot of successful people. But I was, little bit confused. I was thinking that, hey, this business will work for me. That was my confusion. That particular time in UAE, there is one beacon is coming. Okay. And my upline, AVP, Nesibika, he pushed me and he said that, Abid, you have to attend this beacon along with your wife, VC Asma. I said I don't have money, and he asked me to arrange money, and I somehow arranged money and I attended beacon. Okay, when someone come to a stage and if they speak about their journey and my journey was same. I was thinking that, they also went through this kind of situations, right? If I'm also ready to face this kind of situation, definitely I can be like them one day. After coming to this business, the first thing, what I did, I brought my wife into this business, and that was the real great thing for me, because after that, 24/7 we were together. When we started this business, our dreams, our goals, our visions become same. That's a really great things happened to my life. After starting this business, after making a lot of money, one fine day I called my parents and I asked them what was their dreams, and they they were saying that they don't have any dreams. I said, whatever dreams you have, tell me, I can fulfill that. Then they started to say their, talking about their dream. Each and every dreams of my parents I achieved. After achieving their dreams, every often I will ask them, do you have any dreams? Now what they are saying that, whatever dreams they have, they already achieved. Right now, they always say that, Abid, you should be blessed. Okay, because of you, we already achieved our dreams. That when they are saying that, I really get a lot of happiness because of this business only. It's happened. Success gives me lot of confidence. It changed my attitude. Success makes me really humble. Success teaches me that I have to help others to become successful. I have to change others' life also. It's only because of this business. Lot of change happened in my life. I'm doing this business to become successful. Definitely, my intention is I have to be the topest earner of this company. I have to be the number one. I have only one vision, that I have to change a lot of people's life. If I can change one person's life, I will be very grateful. right? So he will be always remember me in his entire life.